Fixing your Ford F150 oil leak, a step-by-step guide. Hey there! If you've got an oil leak under your Ford F150, don't panic. I'm going to walk you through how to find and fix it, right at home. First things first, park your truck on a level surface and pop the hood. Make sure the engine is cool before you get started. Safety first, grab a flashlight and look around the engine. Pay special attention to the valve cover gasket, oil pan, and the oil filter. These are the usual suspects for oil leaks. If you see fresh oil, wipe it clean with a rag, then start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Watch closely to see where the oil starts seeping out. Once you've found the source, it's time to fix it. For a leaky valve cover gasket, you'll need a socket set. Remove the bolts, take off the cover, and swap out the old gasket for a new one. Make sure the surfaces are clean before putting everything back together. If the oil filter is the culprit, grab an oil catch pan, twist off the old filter, and screw on a new one. Remember to put a little oil on the new filter's gasket so it seals properly. Tighten it by hand, no need to use a wrench. After you're done, top off your oil and check the dipstick. Run the engine and double-check for leaks. And there you go. Your F150 should be leak-free and ready to hit the road. If the leak's still there, don't sweat it. Some jobs are best left to the pros. Thanks for watching and good luck with your repair.